goaltender interference.
Now we got Ben Denzi going after Schein. That was a
year. And I don't know if... Whoa, Rick DiPietro wants Johnson here. I don't know how much of that was initiated by DiPietro. DiPietro!
Amorcé ainsi, Patrick.
Ouais, fond de territoire, bataille pour la rondelle et par la suite, bâton de Jacky qui est emprisonné. On donne un petit peu plus par la suite. Le vétéran.
Right side come the Oilers, and now a fight. The two big men. It's McIntyre and Evenins, and it's McIntyre early with 3 right haymakers. The big man from Brock, Saskatchewan against the Latvian. Now fighting back, it's Evenins, and McIntyre has been licking his chops for this one all night.